Question number 21. Ahmed sleeps for 8 hours. What fraction of a day does he sleep for? Write the answers in its simplest form. So, in a one day, there are 24 hours. So, first we'll write 8 over 24, and then we have to simplify it. And what can we divide it by them both? 24 divided by, we can divide them by 8, as 8 times 3 is 24. So 8 divided by 8 and 24 divided by 8, we'll get 1 over 3. So that's the most simplest form, meaning we cannot simplify it more. So 1 over 3 is the answer. It's the most simplest form. Moving on. Question number 22. Here's the table of test results. It shows Mia's test scores out of 100 in each subject. Mia's test results are: for maths she got 90, for writing she got 63, spelling 55, 75, and history 57. In which subject is her median score? Median. That means that we have to find her median. So by the way, one tip: in finding median, you have to arrange the numbers from smallest to largest. Here's how you do it. 55 is first, 55, and then 57, and then 63, and then 63, and then 75, and then 90. So what is her median score? Let's see, we have to check the number which comes in between. 63 actually comes in between them, so we can say 63 is for writing. So median subject is writing. So this is how you solve it. So you have to check in between these numbers. Let's see, 55, 57, 63, 75, 90. So 63 is between 55, 57 and 75 and 90. So this is the median. Moving on. What is her mean score? Mean is actually another name for finding average. So we have to add them all together and then divide by the total, meaning how many subjects there are. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 subjects, so we have to divide them by 5. So let's take 90 plus 63 plus 55, add 75 and plus 57, add them all together and then divide it by 5. So after adding them, we'll get 90 plus 63 plus 55 plus 75 plus 57. We get 340, and then 340 divided by 5. So 340 divided by 5 should be 68. So her mean score is 68. Means like they're asking what's her average score. Should be 68. Now moving on to the next question. Sorry about that. Question number 23. Angelique buys a box of 40 oranges. 0 over 10 of the oranges are damaged. How many oranges are damaged? By the way, of means to multiply. So 310 of the oranges. So easy question. We'll take 300, 3 over 10, multiply it by 50 to get how many oranges are damaged. We will get 15. 15 oranges are damaged. So right here 15 oranges which are damaged. Write a different whole number in each box to make the calculation correct. A bit tricky question. So that's at 370 plus 337. 370 plus 37. Look at 370 plus 37. We'll get 407. So 407. So one of the methods we can do is, see, one can do one, and because down we can see that 7 is the, we're getting 7, so 7 times 1, so we don't know which one is this. If we multiply them, we don't know, like these are blank numbers, so we'll get 407. 7 times 1 is 7, but we don't know which one are these. So let's test few numbers. Let's say if we have 11, let's take 11 and then multiply it by 27, or let's take 47. We get 517. That's a lot, so let's just go a bit less. Let's take 11 times 37. Yep, 407. We can take, so we'll go for 11 times 37, we get 407. So 11 times 37. By the way, I think this is one of the great methods I know to find these type of answers. If you if you find the answer in different type of methods, please let me know in the comment section below. Moving on, question number 25. 30,000 people visit a museum. 30% are women, 25% are men, and the rest are children. How many children visit the museum? So first we need to know how many are the women and how many are the men, and then we'll add them together and then minus it by 30,000 people. So 30% means 30 over 100 times 30,000 people will get. This is for women. Please try to write the data as possible so you will not be confused later. 30 over 100 times 30,000, 9,000 women are there, and then for men should be 25 over 100 times 30,000 people. So 25 divided 2500 times 30,000, 7,500 men. So let's add them together. 9,000 plus 7,500. Sorry about that. 7,500. We'll get 16,500, and once we get 16,500, we get a total. That means we just minus 30,000 by 16,500, 30,000 minus by 16,500. 13,500. We'll get around minus 16 is the answer. We'll get, sorry, 30 minus 16,500. We'll get 13,500. So that means 13,500 were the children among 30,000 people. Alright, let's move on to the next question. Question number 26. A sheet of stamps has 18 rows. There are 24 stamps in each row. So 24 stamps and 18 rows means each row has 24 stamps. It's not shown here, but it's actually each row has 24 stamps and there are 18 rows. The stamp costs 50 cents each. What is the value of the whole sheet of stamps? Give units with your answer. So first we need to find how much does each we have to find that how much are the in 18 rows, how much are the total number of stamps. So we have to multiply 18 multiplied by 24. 18 times 24, we'll get let's use calculator. We'll get 432. We'll get 432 stamps total stamps, and then these are the stamps, and then takes 432 times 55, because each stamp costs 55 and we have total 432 stamps. So 432, take 432 times 55, 23,760 cents. So now we have to, because these are in cents not in dollars, so we have to find in dollars. So by the way, I've previously told that each dollar is equal to 100 cents. So because we have to change from cents to dollars, we have to divide it. So take 23,760 cents divided by 100. We are changing it to dollars, so we'll get divided by 100. We get $237.60. So we can write here $237.60. Let's move on to the next question. Sorry. This one is. Let's cut this off. This one. Don't forget the dollar symbol. Actually, kind of forget it. So don't forget this dollar symbol. Now let's move on to the next question. So question number 27. Oliver is thinking of a 2-digit number. When I divide my number by 8, the remainder is 5. So what is the largest 2-digit number Oliver could be thinking of? Not a difficult question. This one is quite a tricky one. So what is the largest 2-digit number Oliver could be thinking of? So the number is being divided by 8 and the remainder is 5. So we have to take less than 100 because 100 is a 3-digit number. So it should be less than 100. Sorry, it should be less than 100. So what are those numbers which are less than 100? Sorry, should be less than 100. So what are those numbers? Let's see, we have 9. So let's take 8 times 10, which is 80, and then we add them by 5, 85, which is actually divisible. So let's just see. So the remainder should be 5. So if we take 85 here, and then take 8 times 1 is 8, and then we got 5 remainder here. But we still need a larger number, so let's take 8 times 11, which is 88, and then add them by 5. We'll get 93. 93, is it possible? And 13 minus is, and then 8 times 1 is 8. We get 5 here. So yeah, 93 is actually the larger number, because 8 times 12, you'll get 8 times 12 is 96, and if you add 96 with 5, you get 101. So this is actually more than 100 number, 3-digit number, so we need only 2-digit number. So yeah, the answer is 93. Sorry about that. The answer is 93. Alright, moving on to the next question. Yusuf is thinking of a prime number between 31 and 70. So if you don't know what is a prime numbers are numbers that can be divided by itself. Example 3, 5, 11, and 13. These numbers, they cannot be divided by any number. It's like 4, 8, they can't be divided by 2, but these numbers cannot be divided by any number, only by itself. So prime numbers are numbers that cannot be divided by any number but themselves. Moving on. So Yusuf was thinking of a prime number between 31 and 70, and it is one less than a multiple of 10. That means 40 is a multiple of 10, 50 is a multiple of 10, 60 is a multiple of 10, and 70 is the multiple of 10. What is Yusuf's prime number? So if you have a look at this, so less than 1 means, so 40 minus 1, let's say 40 minus 1, you get 39. So 39, and then we have 49, and then 39, 49, and 59, and 69. So 39 is actually divisible by 3, so now we'll cancel them. We'll cancel 39. 49 is not a prime number because 7 times 7 is 49. No. 69 is also divisible by 3, so no, it's not a prime number. 59 is a prime number, so the answer is 59. Now let's moving on to the next question.